NFT play-to-earn games are really topping the charts in the crypto world. Hi there! Welcome to Learn and Earn with Anathon. Today we'll be talking about a play-to-earn game, monkeyball. If you're a football fan, or more importantly, a football game fan, then sit back and watch as we introduce you to a fun play-to-earn soccer game. So what is monkeyball? Monkeyball is a play-to-earn game deployed on the Solana blockchain, which can be played on both desktop and mobile devices. Now, for those that probably don't know, play-to-earn games are video games users play on a device and earn rewards, cryptocurrency, and even real money. In this game, players earn monkeyball, which is its native token. Unlike other play-to-earn games, as a user, you not only get rewards by just playing the game alone, but you can get rewards by watching a match and supporting a team in the game. This means that monkeyball also rewards its fans. Quite amazing, right? Monkeyball is a soccer game that draws its concepts from both blockchain and metaverse. It raised about $3 million in its funding round in October 2021. This funding round had the support of investors like Solana, Banter Capital, Node Capital, and so on. It was the first project to use Starlaunch as a launchpad. Monkeyball is set to launch its IDO on the 30th of November 2021, with about 1% of its total supply, and MBS tokens will be valued at $0.04. If you've played this game, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like this video, share and subscribe. See you next time.
Anathon, redefining learning.